He can start some danger here. Not on goal. Continues on back a little further. He's in on an onside play. On the outside, a shot. Not a free puck now. Making headway through center ice. And still with it in neutral ice. He could start some danger here. Lin Choping's waiting to get things organized in the defensive zone. Knifing his way near the boards. Wonderful save. Carries it up the side. Into the end of attack. Using the point. He's got it. A shot. He's got a chance. And it's a good pickup. Lin Choping's moving the puck through center ice. That's a great save. I was watching for sticks to go up. No celebration this time. And we're happy to have Ray Ferraro with us as well. He is down near the ice.
Well, Doc, you know, you can't get too far into any matchup without discussing the goaltending, and that, of course, is going to have a great deal to do with who wins tonight's contest. But so much of the game is played in the small areas of the ice. You need puck support, you need to be physical, and then when you get puck support and puck possession, how quickly can you get it to a scoring area?
It all alone! What a great game-saving play with the stick. Billings gets his name on the penalty sheet, a tripping minor.
No, this is a tough call. He was trying to play the puck, but he tripped up the attacking player.
And so begins power play number 1. Let's see if it's power play goal number 1. Good face-off win. Good shooting place. Good grab again. And at an angle to Gunnarsson. Looking for options. Terrific shot. Lin Choping's got it in their own end, hoping for center. Gets in. What'll he do? Big drive. Terrific save. Looking from the corner. Lets a shot fly. Puck is thrown to Blomstrand. Lin Choping's gotten back even. Penalty kill.
You wait for a power play like that, and the coaches are thinking that they've got the right scheme and the right people on the ice. It looked like they threw 5 strangers out there that time.
Lin Choping's only going to get 2 minutes on this call, but it was tripping.
Oh, this is clearly a tripping call. He made no attempt to play the puck and took the legs out from the attacking player.
Good clean win on the draw.
2 minutes for tripping. Time of the penalty, 10 minutes, 45 seconds.
Shot on. Great take, dangerous area. Glides across. Good hand to eye, and the reach of the stick. Lin Choping's got it and moving it through the neutral zone. Got it in his own end. Up the wing, making some headway. Takes a shot. Looking for options through the neutral zone. Flings it. That's a great save. Lin Choping's back to full strength. They've killed off the penalty.
Sometimes the power play's out of sync from the second.
He's in. That one's deflected. Nabbed by Carlson. Outstanding save. Oh, they had a great chance. Lin Choping's lugging it up the wing. Has it back deep. That pass along the boards. Takes it up that side. Gets in. What'll he do? A shot off his glove. Feeds the point. with a drive. Terrific score!
You want to score goals, you got to get to this area of the ice.
Gustafson's looking around behind him. He can't believe that there's any opening. He was in the butterfly, thought he had most of the net covered, but not enough of it.
Just over 3 minutes remaining in the period. It's a 1-0 game. And the face-off's won.
Line number 67.
That one comes back. Goalie's allowed to handle this puck, and he does.
And by number 21, Corey Murphy. Time of the goal.
Picks it up in his own end.
50 seconds.
Stick handling up the wing. Gains the zone. Deflected off the blocker. Puck covered, whistle blown. Good face-off win. Swept on to Gunnarsson. Right to the point.
Minute of play.
Couldn't get through there.
First period.
Didn't handle it very well. Free puck. Picked up. Snapping a pass to Roy. He shut him right down. Fires a shot. Great glove save.
Now that's a quick glove.
The opening period has been completed. It's a 1-0 game.
Hey fans, time for our parachute drop. If you'd like to join our Insiders Club here tonight, you can get exclusive media-only access to upcoming press conferences, practices,
And this goal has placed us where we are in a 1-goal game.
Join our
Intermission time is here.
Insiders Club today.
Second period about to begin here. Let's take a look back at the first. What stuck out for you?
Linköping's team is still in this game, Doc. They're down by 1 goal, but easily could be a lot more. You hear the term now, puck management. They did not manage the puck at all in that first period.
In the slot. Linköping shifting gears as they travel through center ice. Good work with the stick. Goes back deep for it. Solid neutral ice poke check. Wonderful centering pass, and it's right to him. In the slot. Wanting to generate something up the wing. That's a free puck thanks to the play by Larson. Linköping's in their own end, and they've got it. Gets in, and he'll look over his options. Let's it go. Shoots. Oh, what a great block. And he slides it through mid-ice. Good jab with the stick there. Linköping's in their own end and on the move. Trying the probe up the wing. From the outside. Save. Oh, to score! And this one is tied.
People always zero in on the puck, but if you're going to have great puck support, you better have the guys without it that go to the open ice.
And so the goalie thinks he's got this puck stopped. Look at how he reacts. He stops so much of it. He thinks it's in his equipment somewhere, but it trickles into the net.
A little under 8 minutes have transpired here in the second. We are at 1 goal apiece.
Linköping goal, scored by number 23, assisted by number 9.
The stick can break up a play, and it just did.
Chad Billings. Time of the goal, 7 minutes, 40.
Grab, great chance ahead.
I'd like to say that I think this game is going to open up and there's going to be all kinds of chances all over the place, but both teams have...
And a save. Lin Shoping's carrying through along the boards. Wrist shot. Skilled play by Roy. Puck loose, now picked up. Two sticks together, they cancel. Looks ahead to start something. And on the icing, play is stopped, and all the way back it will come for a faceoff.
This is frustrating. The goaltender makes a save by getting just a chunk of the shot.
Defensive zone win. Lin Shoping's accelerating ahead through center ice. Makes that play deep. Skating up the center zone wing. And he steps across the line. Shoots one. Just couldn't find the target.
You have to give yourself a chance here. You cannot blow this puck past the net.
Puts one on. Great chance, but he missed.
Having a heavy shot like that is great, but you got to hit the net.
Good, strong work. Icing is canceled. Broke that play up at center. It's an onside play. Shoots it on. Missed it. Too high. Knocked it away with the stick. Lin Shoping's carrying on at center ice. Wrist shot. Wonderful save. Fires. That shot came from just 6 inches.
With this puck being so close to that, this is all a reactionary save.
Hangs onto it. Boy, what reaction. He's got it again. Good work by Carlson. Goalie's one of the 6 guys on the ice. He can pass. He did that. Lin Shoping's on the move up the wing.
In the second period.
Gains the zone and looks over his options. Hammers one. Shoots. Great point-blank save. Puck loose. Couldn't drag it through. Loose puck. The defense got in the way there. And that is the end of the second period of this game. One more to go, and who knows, maybe more action beyond that.
Hey fans, don't forget to find those draw boxes throughout the arena for our signed jersey, which we will give away tonight.
Lin Shoping's collected the game-tying goal, and that will mean an awful lot to them when they head out to the ice for the start of the next period. We'll return after these words. Third period underway, tie score. Into the attacking end. Good place to shoot from. Gets a little drop off from the goalie here. Shoots. Wonderful save. What a skill level there.
Seems like he was in too tight on the goaltender.
Good job with the stick. Hammers his way up the wing at neutral ice. Nicely into the zone. blocked away. Taken over again. Lin Xiaoping's controlling play and trying to get it going along the boards. He got his glove on that one.
They have to take advantage of these odd man rushes. You don't get many of them in a game. The goalie's been better than them on all of them.
Clean win on the draw. It's deflected. Terrific save. Terrific opportunity.
A quick developing play right in front. Almost looks like he's too close to the goaltender.
That puck changes direction. It becomes a really difficult stop for the goaltender to make.
A tad over 5 minutes have passed here in the third. 2 goals so far, divided in half. Solid, clean win. Gutterson's looking to make a play from his own end towards center. He goes back into his own end, pitching it to Billins. Has it in his own end. Up the wing and moving well. Lin Xiaoping's in possession as they travel in their own end. Gets in, looks over his options here. Lets it go. Wow, what a glove save.
That was all positioning, right into his glove.
Nice face-off work. Carried through the neutral zone, right up the middle. Strong play, good reach. Back in his defensive end to get it. Up the wing, still with possession. He gains the zone. That puck came free. Could have been handled better. To Murphy.
I know lots of people like high-scoring games. Well, actually, I'm one of them. But this has been almost like a well-played chess match. There's no room. There's no way that either team can find a way.
Oh, what a save that was. Good job on the draw. And still with it along the boards. Using the point. Shoots. Save! Good defensive play. Loose puck, though. Onside. Snapped it off. Got it all.
What a glove save. He showed him the glove and he took it away.
He's got it. Great take, dangerous area. Good use of the stick, broke that pass up. Perfect pass in stride. All he had to do was look back, and there it came. That one's right on his stick from the right side. Decides he wants the corner. Stays along the boards. Lets it go. Just missed high.
He's not going to get a better quality chance than that in front.
And the pickup. Lets it go. He scores! A pair of goals by the same team.
Thinking about taking a wrist shot, it's all about weight transfer. Transferring your weight from your back foot to your front foot when you're shooting that puck. That's exactly what happened there.
Well, I get a good look at this one. The stick side shoulder is open. The shot is perfect, and as he's down in the butterfly, he can't get his hands up to cover it.
Just over 3 minutes left to go in the period. We had a tie game until just moments ago. It's a one-goal contest. Gains the blue line. Shoots one. Terrific shot, but a save. Linköping's in possession through the neutral zone. Puck picked up here. Picks it up back there. Getting down to the final seconds. Or maybe not.
In the third period.
Linköping's in their own end and in control of the puck. Oh, broke it up. With a shot, patted away. Johnson's at the bench, extra man over the boards. Up the wing, still with possession and with hope. Net open. He missed the net. Gustafson's puck to play, so he does. Score! Wait, no goal. No goal.
Linköping's up in arms here. They feel their goaltender was interfered with. The referee's going to agree. This will be no goal.
One last risky attempt to get back in this game. You pull the goalie, put an extra man out, and you should win the faceoff, or you're in trouble. Brings a shot. Terrific save with no reaction time whatsoever.
The goalie makes himself look big.
The cage is vacant. Chance-taking time. So important to win the next faceoff now. Offensive possession here. Net empty. Score!
That empty net goal will send the fans to the exits.
Everybody can exhale a little bit now. Once the empty netter goes in, that pretty well wraps it up.
Face-off win, and now what will they do with it?
By number 9.
Good job with the neutral ice intercept.
19 minutes, 51 seconds.
And he sends it to the net. A wonderful save, and that just beat the clock too. And the horn is sounded, and this one goes down into the books. And so the end of a very close game. The stats can be deceptive. The shots on goal were really lopsided, but the score was tight.
Sometimes you're going to have games like this where you get a lot of pucks to the net and they don't go in, but you win the game.
So the teams have left the ice and are getting rested for next time. For this time, for Eddie and Ray, Mike Emmerich saying good night.